Welcome to the DS90 iSeries video collection. Today's video will introduce the order entry application. The order entry module is packed with many features, and today we will highlight a few of them that are used most often by our customers. From the main menu, we use the keyword OE to access the sales order entry module. For more information on keywords and how they are used, please watch our navigation video that is also available on our website. The order selection screen allows me to look up customers, add, or maintain new orders. Based upon my authorization, I can also create a new customer on the fly by pressing one button. In the upper right-hand corner, you will notice a company and location fields. DS90 iSeries supports under a single environment multiple companies as well as multiple locations. Using the DS90 iSeries security function, our customers may restrict or permit access to companies and/or locations for each menu option. Based upon my authorization, when I selected order entry, I was not prompted to select a specific company and location, and instead I was routed directly into Company 1 and Location BOS. To create a new order, a valid customer number must be entered. I can search by name in the customer number field with any part of the customer's name, and the system will search both the customers and the ship-to addresses. Today, I am looking for a customer who has the word food in their name. My results show a single customer, Craftsberry Foods, as well as all of their associated ship-tos. This is a very useful function as well as a huge time saver to be able to search billing names as well as ship-to names simultaneously. I will right-click in the option column next to the Merrimack, New Hampshire customer and choose Select. This will bring us into the sales order entry header screen. Order entry contains three basic screens referred to as the header, detail, and summary. Unfortunately, we will not be able to show you every feature within order entry, so we have selected a few of the more popular ones that are used most often amongst our customers. The order header screen allows the user to enter information such as address, ship by date, and purchase order number. As I try to proceed by clicking on OK, the system will give me a message indicating that a purchase order is required. This is controlled at the customer master level. This is a very helpful feature when your customers will not pay you unless a purchase order is present on the invoice. The requested ship by date will default based upon a system setting. The user has the ability to select a different date by clicking on the drop-down button to display the date widget. The requested ship by date is used to control the date-sensitive item allocation quantities and the timing of when a pick ticket can be printed. The Instructions button allows the user to add special instructions per order. Shipping instructions will print on the bottom of the pick ticket, and invoice messages will print on the bottom of the sales order invoice. These instructions can be modified on a per-order basis, or standardized instructions will default from the customer master. This functionality saves users from having to repetitively type the same instructions for the same customer on every order. One of the more powerful features in the order entry module is the ability to see this customer's ordering history and to be able to order directly from the history screens. By pressing the History button, I am presented with a list of items that this customer has purchased from us. This list is in alphabetical order by item and shows the last date that the customer ordered each item. The Date Sort button allows the user to change the order history view to sort by date rather than by item. This screen displays all the items this customer has purchased in chronological order. As you can see in this view, you may see the same item multiple times, whereas the default item sort view only shows you the last time the item was purchased. By right-clicking and selecting Display, the user can see all the orders associated to the item. With either view, the user can enter quantities and these items will be pulled into the order detail screen. Once on the order detail screen, the user can edit any of the existing line items or add new ones. Using the item search function, the user can look through their item master file and order directly from the search screen. Users have a variety of methods to search for items. One of the more popular methods is based upon the item description. DS90 iSeries contains two 40-character descriptions that are both searchable. By typing the word flavor in the description field and clicking on OK, I am immediately presented with a list of items that contain the word flavor. From this list, I can double-click on the item that I want, and it is automatically brought back into the order detail screen. As items are entered, the system will check the item availability. At any point in time, the user may check available quantities in other locations or warehouses, as well as the incoming purchase orders by right-clicking on the item and selecting the on-hand on-order inquiry. In addition, the user may also check the allocation of inventory by date by clicking on the button labeled Allocation Inquiry. The Allocation Inquiry is a real-time view of inventory by date. The requested ship by date in order entry, along with the expected delivery date in purchase order entry, are used to build this allocation table interactively as purchase orders or sales orders are entered or changed. This unique feature is not found in many software packages. The summary screen allows the user to review the total and then prepare the order for the next step. If I wanted to print a pick ticket, I would set the process code to P and select OK. You may notice the blank area in the lower right-hand quadrant of the summary screen. Entry fields will become visible when our point of sale mode is activated. Prepayments by credit card, cash, or check can also be made on this last screen by selecting the deposit button. As you can see, the DS90 iSeries order entry module includes many powerful features. Our customers especially value the drill-down capabilities as well as the ability to access customer sales history, real-time inventory quantities, as well as the flexibility in methods of searching for customers or items. You can find additional videos and further information about our DS90 iSeries software on our website. Please call or email us with questions or to arrange a personalized demonstration. Thanks for watching.